We literally just the other day had these guys across the street come to us and like, hey, we're your neighbors across the street. We need some plates made. Are you able to help us? And yeah, we're able to help you. My name's Anthony Gibbons. I'm the plant manager here at Globe Machine Manufacturing. One important point that I want to make sure we make about Globe Machine is we cater to anybody. Whether it's a job shop or someone right down the street who just needs a shaft made. We can do a lot of large-scale fabrication, upwards of 80,000 pound pieces of steel, really, or any material for that matter. We have some very large machine tools that kind of set us apart. Travel ranging from, 350 inches in one axis up to, 12 feet in another. The biggest strengths at Globe is our ability to adapt to whatever the scenario is. We're a small, lean team that knows how to collaborate when needed and work within multiple departments when needed, our team is. The key to our success in keeping our customers happy and hitting dates and due dates and their requirements really has to do with, I think, from a management perspective, all the managers here are very hands-on. We're very engaged. We're willing to get in and solve a problem. With so many in-house capabilities, it allows us to control our quality, our timeliness. We're able to be more efficient, shorter timelines, because we don't have to rely on outside, subcontractors or processes. If you're looking for a reliable partner that can handle everything from precision machining to complex assemblies, Globe Machine Manufacturing is here to deliver.